with a minimal branches or foliages. These are called foliages in flower decoration, and those bunch of Dutch roses, we are going to make a simple bunch out of that. I am going to show you. You can hold the branch at the bottom first, like you did, then place the roses in a sequence wise, like from the taller to shorter one. Keep on adding them. Yes, little bit ahead of it, don't make a cluster of it, little bit ahead, little bit away. Yes, like that. You have to hold them tightly. The base you need to hold it tightly, and the bunch you can add on little bit more open, because only a single rose on the top will not look complete. Another one you can add. Now got it?
Yes.
Fine. Now please pass on the sellotape little bit. I need to hold it. Thank you. Tightly, and the excess amount of stems, those stems, particularly the bottoms, I can cut them afterwards as per my requirement of the length of the bouquet. Fine. So you can also follow the same. Can anyone please help him to wrap it the way I did? You can keep the branch up behind.
Yes.
Put them behind. Little bit more I will need towards this side. Sellotape. Little bit more towards the end of the we need to cut it, but little bit more, because we will be wrapping it with a sellotape. Yes, that's it. Over this. Fine. Cut it. Good. Now you can see the extra amount of the stems I am cutting them, though there is a special kind of cutter we use. Just because of this is a demo how to make a bouquet with the minimal amount of things that you have. That is why I am using normal scissor, not the stem cutter, and the cellophane as to cover the handle part of this particular arrangement. Now somebody have to, yes, the way you did, it's perfect one. The excess amount of foliages or leaves, you need to cut them simultaneously so that they are not needed, so they will be wasted out. Fine. Now I can cut it like amount of the length I need to keep. Okay, like that you can cut them. Let me finish this one first. I am cutting the cellophane. Now you do that, follow me. Ultimately what I have done, I have pressed the cellophane or this silver foil, particularly, not cellophane, so that it will be fixed to it, and I can use another sellotape to fix it so that it doesn't fall out. Understood? Yes. The same sequence you guys also will follow. Remove them. Always remember that you have to clear the platform, so that remove them backward, so that you can be throwing them to dustbin afterwards. Now is it visible to all?
Yes,
the way I have completed?
yes, sir.
And the way your friend have completed? Yes, use another sellotape so that it doesn't get removed afterwards. Normally what happens, just by pressing it, it will not remain fixed, it will be getting loose after some time. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
so you can cover it till the head, till the handle, first point you can cover it. The way I have wrapped it completely
Tightly.
tightly.
Perfect.
Gradually make a circle, make a spiral of it gradually towards the bottom. Tilt, yes, tilt, yes, tilt. You have to keep on rotating and you have to tilt also, so it can cover up the entire area. Now cut. Done?
Done. Yes, sir.
Simple.
Yes, sir.
So one is by me, another is by you. So very simple technique,
Yes.
very easily done,
Yes, sir.
and looks also beautiful. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
You can add on, if you have got some other materials also, you can add on like some golden rods or some other fillers of white or yellow color that will complement the red color of the Dutch roses.
Yes, sir.
That's all for housekeeping flower arrangement class today.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.